seed, cumin seed.
捏起128往锅里丢，烘炒到恰到好处的香料，香气浓郁。
Roasting is very important, not burning. Once you burn it, it's gone. You have to throw away because your curries will go bitter.
看似随性，细节却是讲究。洋葱切末、跟绿豆芽、甜豆仁、百合等食材混着新香料和椰奶一起拌炒。Joseph 做菜不写食谱，靠的是直觉和专业。
Sometimes the spices they don't come from India; they come from another region. The soil is different, the weather is different. So it changes. The flavors in the peppers, they changes.
新鲜也是关键。餐厅院子种满咖喱叶、罗勒、迷迭香，需要什么现采现用。
I plant myself because curry leaf is something it has to be fresh. It cannot, if you keep in a chiller, maybe 3-4 days it can last. After the flavors are not the same.
很多人以为 Joseph 做的是创意料理，但他反驳，从小就在妈妈和邻居厨房间穿梭，端出来的每一口可都是印度到地南方风味。
South is so unique and different. Same thing about the food. So I say Joseph Bristow. Okay, Joseph, where I come from. Okay, that's my character. This is what I eat. I grew up eating, and that's what I want to serve to my customers.
会选择台湾成为一辈子的家，时间得推回15年前，在马尔地夫认识了台湾女孩 Peggy， 后来两人共结连理，还有了3个可爱孩子。但饭店主厨工作忙碌，让他决定创业，坚持周休日陪伴家人，也重新掌握对餐点品质的自我要求。
You just do your work right, be honest, and I think the guests can see that, and the customer can see that. And then they introduce you more friends. So it's more about friends bringing their friends. You know, it's becoming like a family.
打扫厕所不假外人之手 ，Joseph 用心经营，在工作和生活品质间取得平衡，也希望打破一般人的刻板印象，用味蕾重新认识印度料理。